Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're doing some haul road maintenance. And for this job, all we need is a grader, some experienced truck drivers, a bit of skill, and a little seat time. So grab yourself a cold one, let's get started. All right, we're starting off with the balaz and about 200 tons of gravel. First, we're gonna fix the worst section of the road, and later we'll work the entire stretch from the top all the way down. I told the truck driver to spread it a bit thicker here because this section is in really rough shape. The potholes are huge and pretty deep. So we'll take care of this spot first, then move further up and start working our way back down, spreading as we go. All right, the worst section of the haul road is done. Now we're starting from the top and working our way down, spreading and grading as we go. This is the third truck so far, which puts us at around 600 tons of material laid down on the road. All in all, I think 600 tons should be enough to cover close to 200 meters of haul road. So we're going to spread this material first. Then we'll make a final pass starting from the top all the way down. That way we'll blend all three loads together so you won't even notice the transitions. It'll come out as one smooth, continuous surface. Right now, I'm pushing the material over to the right side, and I'm windrowing the larger rocks off to the edge since we don't need that. We'll do the same on the left side, getting rid of all the bigger material. For the final pass, we'll be grading from right to left. I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. And here you can see the difference in the material. These are two loads from different excavators. We call that a transition, and that's exactly what we don't want. When you're driving a truck, you shouldn't be able to feel where one load ends and the next begins. We want it to be smooth, one continuous surface. Now, I'll show you what that looks like. Just give me a moment, please. All right, as you can see while I'm grading, I'm also pushing the rocks out and blending the loads together. There are still a few bigger rocks here and there, but we'll clean those up on the final pass. Nobody wants those larger rocks getting packed in and making the ride rough. So far, I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out, but it'll look even better once we do the final pass. All right, let's head down and see what we've got left to do. You can see there's still a lot of larger material in this section. Sharp rocks that can cut tires. We don't need that. We need to push all of that off to the sides. We've also got this pile here to work through. We'll push it over to the left and use it to add another extra layer on that critical spot we fixed at the beginning of the video. So the process stays the same. Spread the material, windrow all the larger rocks off to the sides, and finish it off with a final pass. And I'll show you what that final pass looks like in just a moment. And this is what the final touch looks like. Where the grader is, that's the finished grading pass. Everything to the left of the grader still needs to be done. We'll remove these larger chunks of rocks now with the final pass, and we also spread that pile we had left from earlier. Like I said, we're pushing the material all the way to the left, and that will also be our final pass. Now you'll see what that looks like. And this is what it looks like at the end after the final pass. All three loads are blended into one. There are no transitions. We pushed the larger chunks of rocks off to the sides, and we ended up with a smooth surface. However, the best result will come once the trucks run over it and compact the material. You'll see what that looks like in just a moment. And this is our end result. After several hours of loaded trucks running over it, the material got compacted so much, it looks like it was done with a roller. The surface is so smooth and clean. All in all, I'm satisfied with how everything turned out in the end. And if you like this little project, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. Until the next video, stay safe out there.